what is up, everybody? I'm gonna be making a lavender breath oil. So it's gonna start getting cold in the winter and you might get the coughs. And I already put the labels on my green bottle, lavender breath. If you have the stickers, which is this one right here. And what you're gonna need for this is a bottle, the one I just showed you. Then you're going to put 5 drops of breathe and 5 drops of lavender in this bottle. And then when you're done with all of that, you can put FCO, which is the coconut. You're going to put that in the bottle until it gets all the way to right here, right there. And then you're going to put this roller back on it, on the top, push it down, and then you're going to put this gold lid on. And then you made the cough oil, well, roller. So let's get to it. First, add the lavender, 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It might come out fast, it might come out slow, so be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you're all done with that, let's add this in. It smells good. There we go. After it's all filled, put this in. Whew, that's hard. Shut the lid and shake it. And then after, smells good. After, you could put it on your ears. You could put it on your chest. You could put it on your feet when you go to bed, or you could put it under your nose, or you could put it on your forehead. You could put it either on one of those, or you could put it before you go to school. And that's it for the video. Bye, everybody. If you like it, press the subscribe button and click the bell button. Let's see if you could do it in 5 seconds. And make sure you put a thumbs up on this video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's out. Bye.